Everybody, welcome to this online session of Tadvidya Sambhasha Parishad. I'm Dr. Sharani Sanu, and today I would like to discuss on the topic of concept of. Okay, so when we see the ascending order of development of dhatu, Shukra is the seventh dhatu formed. Okay, and this is considered to be as last dhatu. Yes, so how is this Shukra derived from? The word Shukra is derived from the root word Shaucha, which means the purest form. Okay, so the purest form of dhatu, okay, is said to be Shukra. Shukla, Ashaya, Nirmala, Majja Samudbhava, okay, Kitta Varjita are some of the synonym of Shukra Dhatu, which suggests that it is the purest form of Dhatu among all the Dhatus formed. Okay. Now coming to the site of Shukra Dhatu, according to Sushruta Samhita Sharirasthan chapter 4 by 20, he says Saptami Shukradhara Namakala Ya Sarva Praninam Sarva Sharira Vyapini. That means this Shukradhara Kala is present all over the body, okay, Sarva Sharira Vyapini, okay, and it exhibits its function at its particular time, okay. Then coming to the site of formation of Shukra Dhatu, it is said for formation, transportation and its main function, the Shukravaha Strotasam Vrashano Moolam Shefascha. I repeat, Shukravahanam Strotasam Vrashano Moolam Shefascha, told by Charaka Vimanasthana chapter 5 by 17, where he says Vrashana, that is the testis, and Shefa, that is the penile region, is the moola of the Shukravaha Strotas. This is because they want to give importance to the formation of the sperms and transportation of sperms. Okay, so giving importance to the formation and transportation, this moola is been explained, and according to Sharangadhara, he says it as Shukra Ashaya, that is testis. Okay, and according to Sushruta Samhita, he says Shukravahe Dve Tayo Moolam Stano Vrashano Cha. Okay, again he says that is the sthana region, okay, and the vrashana, that is the testis region, are the moola of the Shukravaha Strotas. When we see the Panchamahabhautika constitution of Shukra, it is made up of all the Panchamahabhutas, but Apa is the Pradhana Mahabhuta present in the Shukra Dhatu. Okay, and it is said Saumya Shukram, told by Sushruta Samhita. He said Saumyata is the main lakshana of the Shukra Dhatu. Okay, now this Shukra Dhatu is present in both males as well as females. Okay, now in Shukra in males is exhibited in the process of spermatogenesis. In females, the similar functions are exhibited by the lubricative functions of the mucosal glands present at different reproductive parts of the reproductive organs. Okay, it might be the cervical mucosa, it may be the vaginal mucosa, which are involved in the lubricative functions of the reproductive organs. Fine. Then coming to the metabolism and the formation of the Shukra Dhatu, it is said according to the Kshiradhari Nyaya, there is Krama Poshana, that is Rasa gets converted totally into Rakta, Rakta gets totally converted into Mamsa. Similarly from Majja, the total conversion of Shukra takes place. Okay, but according to Kalekapota Nyaya, there is a particular order in which Dhatu Agnis act. Okay, that is the Majja Dhattvagni divides itself into Prasada Bhaga and Kitta Bhaga. The Prasada Bhaga, asthai amsha of the Majja Dhatu, the Sukshma amsha goes further to the nourishment of the Shukra Dhatu. Okay, it is from the Majja action of the Majja Dhattvagni from the Prasada Bhaga, which divides further into Sthai Dhatu and Asthai Dhatu. The Sthai Dhatu remains as Majja and Asthai Dhatu will go forward to nourish the Upadhatus as well as the next Dhatu, that is the Shukra Dhatu. This is how nourishment of Shukra takes place. The time taken for the nourishment of the Shukra Dhatu, according to Charaka Samhita, he says it is a continuous process. Dhatu nourishment is a continuous process. He says, Santantya Bhojya Dhatunam Parivrattastu Chakravat. That means the Dhatu nourishment is going on in a continuous daily process. Okay, whereas Sushruta explains, particularly, he says minimum 30 days are required for the Poshana of the Shukra Dhatu. This is very, very important, because whenever you are giving medicines, okay, you must advise patients to take medicines for this particular period of time, because if he takes only for few days, like 15 days or 10 days, the results will not be obtained as per your desire. Okay, if it is 30 days of time is required for the portion of Shukra, that means minimum 30 days are required to see the results, or to start with the results. Okay, so this time period becomes very, very important from practical point of view. Parashara gives an opinion saying that 8th day is required for the nourishment of Shukra. Okay, qualities of Shuddha Shukra, very important. Spatikabham, okay, Dravam Snigdam Maduram Madugandisha, Shukram Michanti Kechut Taila Shaudram Nivam Tatha. That means it is just looking like a combination of Taila and Shaudra, that is honey. Honey and oil, when mixed together, the whatever texture is there, the same texture is seen in Shukra. It is white like Spatika, okay, and that is alum, and it is drava, it is having liquidity, okay, because of various secretions. Then it is snigdha, okay, and it is madhura madhugandhisha, similar like of honey, it is madhura madhugandhisha. These are the qualities of Shukra. Again, Charaka explains the qualities of Shukra as snigdam, ghanam, okay, having its viscosity, pichilam, okay, having stickiness, madhuram, cha avidhahi, cha, very important, avidhahi, it is not having any burning sort of quality. Okay, it is not irritating, or it is not having any burning sort of quality. Retaha shuddho vijaniyat shvetam spatika sannibham. Okay, he adds ghana, pichila and avidhayi guna to the gunas explained by the Sushruta. Then coming to quantity. When you see quantity wise, it is said Ardha Anjali is the quantity of the Shukra Dhatu. Functions, the main function of Shukra Dhatu is Garbhotpadascha Shreshta Karmaha. That is, reproduction is the main function of this Shukra Dhatu. Okay. What are the other functions explained by Charaka Samhita? He says, Shukra Shonitam Jiva Sanyoge tu Kulopukshigate Garbha Sagnya Bhavati. That is, whenever the Shukra Dhatu is released, and if it is in proper in quantity and quality, and if it comes to in Sanyoga with the Shonita at correct time, okay, it leads to the formation of Garbha. Okay, Sushruta further defines Shukram Dhairya Chauvanam Preeti Deha Bhalam Harsham Bijartascha. That means the Shukra Dhatu, which is formed properly, is responsible for the Dhairya, overall courage, mental courage as well as physical courage of the body. It is responsible for the Chauvana, that is attraction for the other people, or attractive nature of a person is dependent upon the Shukra Dhatu. Preeti is attraction for the other gender. Deha balam is overall strength of the body, is also the quality of Shukra Dhatu. Harsham, enthusiasm, and bijarthascha, production of the bija, that is for the reproduction, are the main functions of the Shukra Dhatu. Then coming to the concept of the Upadhatu of Shukra. Well, some say that Shukra is the purest form, and hence there is no question of Upadhatu production. So this is the concept highlighted by Charaka Samhita. But Sharangadhara says, no, Ojas is the Upadhatu produced from the Shukra Dhatu. So this can be your MCQ point, where Sharangadhara highlights Ojas as the Upadhatu of Shukra. Then waste products, when we see the waste products, again Sharangadhara says The waste products can be the mustache, okay, the hairy growth on the face region in the males, and it can be the hairy growths on the axillary region, and other hairy growths on the skin are the mala of the Shukra Dhatu. And even he says the acne produced is the mala of the Shukra Dhatu. Okay, and whereas Charaka says there is Shukra is the purest Dhatu and there is no Upadhatu and no mala for the Shukra Dhatu. Okay, what are the disorders or the pathophysiology seen in Shukra Dhatu? So the symptoms which are seen in Shukra Dhatu are, first of all, Shukra Vriddhi. It is said Ati Stri Kamata Vriddham Shukram Shukrashmari Api. Now this is a condition where too much of Shukra is generated. Okay, whenever there is too much of intake of snigdha, ati guru ahara vihara, okay, with a uh, mental process of involving themselves in seeing or visualizing some of the sceneries or some of the TV shows sometimes, which is highly increasing the testosterone and other such hormones, which will lead directly into Shukravati. Now why this is important is because now you can see children, those who are exposed to such TV channels, okay, which are showing lot of videos which should not be exposed to children. These children get maturity at an early stage than the normalcy. Okay, this shows that there is too much of influence of the sceneries on the children, okay, and their hormonal changes takes place. So this shows whenever there is the intake of food along with such activities, there is too much of nourishment of this Shukra Dhatu, which can lead to these symptoms like Ati Sri Kamatavati. There is too much of attraction to the other gender, and Shukram Shukrashmaryapi, that is, there is calculus developed in the Shukravaha Strotas level, because there can be stagnation of this Shukra and lead to deposition of the Shukra, which can block the Shukra channels, and this is called as Shukrashmari. Okay, so this is seen in case of Shukra Vriddhi, which is totally abnormal condition. And then there is Shukrakshaya. Shukrashaya is a condition because of total malnourishment or too much of a bhaya, mental status of bhaya, krodha. The Shukravaha Strotas, which is very Soumya, will get disturbed. Okay, and because of the Rajasika Guna, the Agni gets Vriddhi. Because of this Ushnata, the Shukra gets damaged, and various Shukra related disorders can be seen. So what are those? In Shukrakshaya, you see Shukre Chirat Prasichet Shukram Shonitameva va Toda Atyartam Vrashana Medra Dhumayati Vyacha. Means what Ashtanga Hridaya states, the Shukra will take lot of time for its ejaculation, that is Chirat Prasicya, and if there is ejaculation also, it will be along with blood, and there will be too much of pain in the penile region and in the Vrashana region, which are the mula of the Shukravaha Strotas, and there is too much of burning sensation seen in this Strota mula also. So these are some of the lakshanas seen in Shukra Kshaya. Further, Sushruta says, Shukra Shaye Medra Vrashana Vedana Ashaktihi Maitunam Chiratva Prasekaha Prasekaha cha Alparakta Shukra Darshanam. The same thing is being explained by Sushruta Samhita in chapter 15 by 9, where he says there is too much of pain in the Moolasthana of Shukravasthautas, and along with blood, the semen gets ejaculated. Yes. Further, Charaka Samhita in Sutrasthana says, Daurbalyam Mukhashosha Pandutvam Sadanam Brahmaha Klaiba Shukra Visargasha Sheena Shukrasya Lakshanam. That means whenever the production of Shukra itself is reduced, there is too much of weakness in the body. Okay, there is Mukha Shosha, there is dryness in the mouth, there is anemic type of condition seen, and the person complains of Brahma, giddiness. Okay, Klaibyam, and shukra visargasya shila shukrasya lakshanam. There is impotency type of lakshanas are seen in case of shukra kshaya. Okay. Now, how do you treat Shukrakshaya? In Shukrakshaya, Amahara, that is Ama Pachana, should be done first, and later the treatment must be Guru, Snigdha, Madhura, okay, Brahmana Ahara Vihara, like Kshira along with Grata is given, okay, then Masha is given as Shukra promoting drugs, okay. Whereas in Shukra Vriddhi, it is mental counseling is done along with Satvika Ahara are been practiced for controlling the production of the Shukra Dhatu. Okay. Now, the Shukra Dhatu can directly be correlated to the spermiogenesis, okay, spermiogenesis, spermatogenesis of the male reproductive system, and in female reproductive system, this can be correlated to overall hormones responsible for the reproduction, along with this can be directly correlated to the mucosal glands, which are nourishing and supporting the reproductive functions at cervical and vaginal level, which are actually required for the process of reproduction. Okay, so this is something about Shukra Dhatu. Okay, in my next class, I will be speaking about Ojas. Ojas as the Sara of all the Dhatus. Thank you.